We'll guide you through how to use keyframes in DaVinci Resolve, a powerful tool for creating dynamic animations and effects in your video projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Head over to the Edit page, where you'll be doing most of your work. Find the clip you want to animate in the timeline, then click on it to make sure it's selected. Now, go to the Inspector panel on the top right. This is where you can adjust various settings like position, zoom, rotation, and more. Let's say you want to create a zoom effect. You'll find the zoom controls in the Transform section. Set your starting point by adjusting the zoom level to where you want it to begin. Then, click on the diamond-shaped icon next to zoom. This adds your first keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom effect to end, and adjust the zoom level again. Resolve will automatically create a new keyframe for you. You can add keyframes for other properties too, like position or rotation, using the same method. Just click the diamond icon next to the property you want to animate. To view and fine-tune your keyframes, open the Timeline Viewer and click on the small keyframe icon at the bottom left. This will show you all the keyframes in your clip. You can drag them to adjust timing or right-click to delete them if needed. Remember, keyframing is all about creating smooth transitions between different states, so feel free to experiment with different settings to get the look you want. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.